I know you're looking for a side hustle that will help you make money online to add to what you have already. Having multiple streams of income is something that can keep you afloat in this modern age and time. And yes, you can actually make money online legitimately. Many people are becoming millionaires every day online. All you need is the right information, which is why in this video, I'm going to be telling you a skill that you can learn to make money online. Apart from completing tasks on different websites, watching videos, and playing music to earn cents, small money on different websites and apps. Do you know that there is a skill that you can learn and you start making money online legitimately? I'm going to be telling you that skill in this video, and I will tell you different platforms where you can learn this skill free of charge and platforms where you can use this skill to make money online. So ensure you watch this video to the end. It's going to be very informative. My name is Stacy. In case you're seeing this channel for the first time, you are welcome. Here I share ideas on different ways to make passive income online, either through Amazon KDP or through other online platforms. So if you love this type of content, all you need to do is to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I upload any video. When you see people talk about making passive income online, these things are real. Many people are making money online. It can be through different online platforms. On this street of YouTube, people are making money. People are making money through different apps, through different websites. These are passive income. And if you really want to make money online, removing every mindset of getting rich quick is something you need to make money online. And you need to put in the effort. For you to make money online, it requires your efforts, which is why one of the skills you need to learn to start making money online is video editing. Yes. You must have heard about video editing and video editors. A lot of people are making money every month through video editing. There are a lot of platforms where you can offer your services as a video editor. But first, you need to learn this video editing because video editing is becoming the most wanted skill for different online platforms, and people are using it to make money online. Yes, apart from editing your personal video as a content creator, you can offer this service to different platforms online to earn passive income. Yes, the video editing is simple to learn. When I learned my own video editing, I learned from scratch. I never had any form of experience about video editing. I learned from scratch and I learned it free of charge. You too can learn video editing and become a video editor, and you start making money online through video editing. There are different platforms where you can learn video editing free of charge. I'll be mentioning only 4 in this video. Number 1 is ADX. ADX is a platform that offers high level of video editing. On this platform, you can learn how to edit videos, sophisticated videos, and how to navigate around making your video perfect on this platform, and it's entirely free of charge. Go to your phone browser or any browser, either your phone or laptop, and search for ADX video editing, and you sign up and you start learning. And this you can learn it within a week, 2 weeks, depending on how fast you learn. The second one is YouTube. You can learn video editing on YouTube. There are a lot of creators that create content around video editing. You can search for how to edit video and you will learn from these people. There are a lot of popular creators on YouTube that create content around video editing. So you can just join them and you start learning. Dedicate an hour a day or 30 minutes a day and you learn this thing. Before you know, you become perfect. The third one is called Coursera. Coursera is another platform that offers high level of video editing and is entirely free of charge. You can learn video editing on these platforms. The last but not the least is Skillshare. On Skillshare, you can learn video editing, but Skillshare is not entirely free. They can give you 1 month free trial. So within 1 month, you should be able to learn all you need to learn about video editing. These 4 platforms are the platforms where you can learn video editing free of charge. Now, there are different software that you can use to practice your video editing. Number 1 is InShot. I started with InShot. InShot is very beginner friendly. As a beginner, you can navigate your way around InShot and you can get better every day as you practice. You can use your personal video and start practicing how to edit. All right. The second one is CapCut. CapCut is a little bit sophisticated, but you can actually navigate your way around CapCut. Then you have HFilm, we have Filmora, a lot of them, but you can start with InShot and CapCut and start practicing. As you're learning, you're practicing how to edit. And when you feel you're perfect, that you cannot edit, you will start applying for jobs. You can start your own YouTube channel and start creating content on video editing. A lot of creators on YouTube are doing so well. Creating content around video editing, it can become one of them. I mean, YouTube is so large to accommodate everybody. You can learn this video editing and you start creating content around video editing on YouTube channel. Before you know it, you monetize your channel and you start earning. Other platforms where you can work as a video editor or use your video editing skills to make money are freelancing platforms like Fiverr. On Fiverr, you can sign up, create your profile, and create gigs on video editing. Like I can edit your video. People who are looking for video editors will see your profile and click on it and contact you for a job. So Fiverr, you can download Fiverr on your phone, Fiverr app on your phone, or you go to your browser and search for Fiverr and you sign up, create your profile, and create a gig, maybe 3 minutes or a minute gig, offering your service as a video editor. Another freelancing platform is Upwork. Many people go to Upwork on Upwork platforms to get the services of video editors, professional video editors, which is why you need to learn it very well. When you become a pro, you can offer your services as a video editor on Upwork. Another platform, freelancing platform, is People Per Hour. You can also create your profile, create a gig that you're offering video editing services. People who need these services will always contact you. And if you're good at what you do, you will always be getting gigs and you'll be making money online. Apart from freelancing platform, another platform is social media like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram. There are a lot of content creators that need video editors. Personally, I've received mail from someone who is offering me that service. I can edit my video and do other things that he offered in his mail. So you can actually reach out to big content creators who are looking for video editing. A lot of them advertise this on their platform. You can reach out to them, send them email or DM them that you can actually make their video look perfect. When they accept your request, you start working as their video editing their video. They will make video and send it. You don't even need to be there with them. They'll just make a video, send it to you, you edit the video and you send it back to them. These are different platforms people make money online as video editors. Yes, there are a lot of creators on TikTok, Instagram, on Facebook. They're already big. They don't have time to be editing videos every day. So they need your service as a video editor. And when you begin to edit them, these people are already making a lot of money through those platforms. And when you work for them, you earn money from these people. The last but not the least is to create a tutorial video of 3 minutes, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, depending on how you want to go about it. When you create this tutorial video, you can sell it as an online course for people who are looking for how to learn video editing. These are different ways you can make money as video editor. So you need to learn video editing and you can learn it free of charge. I learned mine free of charge. I edit my videos, but I know that they are not perfect, but you can actually devote time and learn how to edit video and you start making money online. You can actually become a millionaire as video editor. It's a good skill you need to learn in addition to what you have already. And you can do this from the comfort of your home. You must not have physical interaction with whoever you're offering your service to. All right, so try and learn video editing. Remember, we are not paying anything to learn. You can learn it free of charge. But if you want to learn sophisticated type of video editing, these ones can cost you money. But for a start, you can start learning it free of charge. All right, so this is a skill that you would love to learn, either to use it for yourself or to use it for others to earn money. All right, that will be all for this video. Let me know in the comment section if you know how to edit video or if you want to learn how to edit video. Till I see you again in my next video. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up.